Hello everyone, and welcome to Daily Fix Guide. So in this video, I'll guide you on how to buy Bitcoin on Trust Wallet. So it's an extremely easy process. So what you have to do is first open your Trust Wallet. Then you're going to enter your PIN and log in to your Trust Wallet. After that, on the new homepage, you'll find a lot of options, but the one that you're looking for is at the very top, which is called Fund. Click on that option. Then here, simply choose Buy Cryptocurrency, and then choose how much crypto you want to buy. Let's say, for example, $20. So here you'll have multiple features as well. Like for example, if you click on USD, you will be able to change the currency that you want to buy. So let's say, for example, currently I have 3 currencies listed here. But if you click on More, you will have many more currencies that you can add, which you can see here. Then, right below that, you'll find BTC or Bitcoin. And here, you will also know in $20 how much Bitcoin you're getting. Now, what you do is click on Bitcoin, and then you'll find all the crypto that you can buy here, not just Bitcoin. So if you're looking for anything else as well, you can also do that. But in this video, we'll only focus on Bitcoin. So choose that. And now the next thing is the payment method. Now here you'll see this is by default selected on card, but if you click on that, you'll have multiple options inside the card. So here below the card section, you'll find all the providers through which you can complete the transaction using card. But if you don't want to use card, there are other methods. Click on the card option and a drop-down menu will appear in front of you. So here you will have multiple options. Now, depending on your country, a few options might be different. Like for example, you might not have Google Pay or bank transfer options, or digital wallet. Anything could happen. So simply choose whatever payment method you want to try. But keep this thing in mind. Different payment methods will have different providers. So let's say, for example, if I go to P2P, you'll see that the payment provider has not changed. So simply choose the payment provider that you believe in. So I will go with Google Pay. And for the payment provider, I will simply choose the first one here and then click Continue.
Now it'll redirect you to another website where you will complete the transaction. So wait for a few seconds. First, you will need to verify your payment method, which is Google Pay in my case. Here, I will need to enter my email address, my country of residence, and then I have to complete the verification process. And once I complete the verification, I will be able to pay through my Google Pay. Now, you can also do the same thing if you choose a card. So let's say, for example, if you choose card here and choose this payment provider here, click on Continue. Again, the process will be the exact same. You need to go to a different website, specifically the provider's website. And then here, you have to simply pay the amount. And down below, if you look, you'll also see that there is a small amount of fee that is also included. So keep that in mind that you have more than the amount in your balance that you are paying for the Bitcoin. Like for example, I want $20 worth of Bitcoin, but the fee is also included, which is $3.13, which is shown here. That means you need to have at least $23.20 in your account. So keep that in mind. Now, click on Buy Now. And then again, the same process of verification, enter your email address, and then click on Continue. Then CAPTCHA if it appears, then Verify. After the verification is complete, a verification code will be sent to you on the same email address that you just used. So simply go ahead and check that. And there you will have the code. So copy the code, go back to Trust Wallet, paste the code here, then click on Continue. And make sure to check the Terms and Conditions box here. Then click on Continue. Now, all you have to do is simply enter your phone number, your date of birth, and then a small verification will happen where you have to take a selfie or a video of your face, and then you have to upload that. Only then you can complete the payment method, where you will have the option to add a credit card or debit card to complete the transaction. Now, this is the method to buy Bitcoin on Trust Wallet. But there is also a better and far cheaper method, and that is to buy Bitcoin through an exchange, like for example from Binance. You can buy Bitcoin on Binance, then transfer the Bitcoin to your Trust Wallet, and that's the easiest and simplest way to do it. So that's a topic for another video. So that's it.
Now you know how to buy Bitcoin on Trust Wallet. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. Thank you for watching, and take care.